In this video, we're going to discuss how to organize the modules in your evacuation kits, such as your bug out bags and get home bags, using color coordinated canvas bags. Let's get started. I'm currently in the process of conducting a weight loss program for my bug out bag. It's very easy for your bug out bag or get home bags to get a little bit too heavy as you add more and more items in them. And as they say, ounces add up to pounds and pounds add up to pain. So moving forward with my evacuation kits, I'm going to be going with more of a basic, lightweight approach compared to previous versions. This is because most of the emergency events in which I would actually evacuate from my home require you to be very quick, and I don't want to have to pick up some 40 to 50 pound bug out bag. I'll have some videos coming out on this in the future, in which we'll have complementary kits like the base kit and an expansion module. Speaking of modules, I've been using them for a long time in all of my kits. It helps me keep organized, which isn't natural for me. It's very easy for a bug out bag to just become a dump module, so I really have to force myself to follow some sort of organization strategy. Otherwise, it becomes a complete mess. So on my modules, I like leveraging color coordination that makes it easy to find the modules under times of stress. In past kits, I've used modules that are in the form factor of a cube, like the ones made from E-Bags, Eagle Creek, and VanQuest and Maxpedition also have their variations as well. However, since I have so many different categories for prepping items, it's easy for those to add up as well, both in weight and in storage space. And right now, I'm just trying to slim everything down. So what I've been doing is using zippered canvas bags, like the ones that you see for money bags. In some of my past videos, you've seen them in my EDC backpack or also in my bug out bag. There's a lot of different options for these type of canvas bags, ranging from cheap to heavy duty. What I like about them is that it does limit what you could store, but it also forces you to really think about what you want to store and why. So in this video, we're going to cover 3 different types of these canvas bags. Fortunately, you could get these small little bags in various colors so it matches up with the color of prepping. So for the 3 different types, they range from inexpensive to a little bit more pricey, also cheap in construction versus high quality. Some are smaller and others are a little larger, and then they also vary a little bit in weight. So early on when trying to leverage this type of concept, I was using the cheap pencil bags that you could get online. You could usually buy a multi-pack of these with multiple color options, but they have kind of cheap zippers and they're not really built to last. However, if you want an inexpensive approach, this is the way to do it. Eventually, I started upgrading the pencil bags to more of a canvas bag style. These particular ones are made by Cardinal. They're a little bit larger and they're a little bit higher quality as well. For example, you have YKK zippers on these ones. However, for a bug out bag, I really wanted something that was heavy duty. So the ones that I found that I really like are the ones made by Klein Tools. I first learned about these when I was building my tool bag, and I saw various handyman were using them. Klein Tools are made in the USA and they're built to last. They have a higher quality of materials such as the YKK zippers, and they're originally designed to use as tool bags, so they work great for durability purposes for a bug out bag. You could get them in various colors as well. For example, you could get a blue one for your water module, a red one for your first aid module, a yellow one for your comms module, a white one for your hygiene and sanitation module, and more. So if you too are trying to slim down the contents in your bug out bag to help make weight and reduce the storage size, I recommend trying these slim, zippered canvas bags to store some of the handheld items that you want to keep organized in your kits. It helps me make it not so much of a free-for-all when you open up the bug out bag or get home bag. VanQuest has a color coordination patch that follows the color of prepping as well, that you could use for an identification legend for your kits. Now this doesn't work for everything. For example, clothes are usually pretty bulky, so you're not going to want to store them in a slim canvas bag like this. For my clothing module, I use an E-Bag storage cube. And these canvas bags aren't waterproof either, so you don't want to fall into a lake, for example, with your bug out bag on. But moving forward on my channel with my various evacuation kits, you're going to be seeing these a lot more. Again, I'm trying to reduce the size and weight of my bug out bag, get home bag, and other various evacuation kits. Since I have a family, if bugging out, our kits are going to be a lot different than a lone wolf prepper, for example, and I have some redundant items between the various family backpacks and also ones that are distributed among them. But we'll be covering that in a separate video. I provided links in the description box below for some of these colored, zippered canvas bags. I think they're great for helping slim down your bug out bags, keeping them organized, having a modularized approach, and if you go with the ones made by Klein Tools, they're definitely built to last. Please leave your comments below in the comment section. If you like these type of videos, consider subscribing to the channel. If you like this video, you could smash the like button, which does help with the algorithms, and stay tuned for more urban emergency preparedness videos. See you next time.